South Run emerged in the mid-1980s by Hazel and Peterson companies, and it was really unique. They actually planned out the entire community and zoned it, developed the area, and then brought in custom home builders. That's right, not big national builders like a Pulte or Toll Brothers, but they brought in local custom builders. And that's what you're gonna love about this community. It's not cookie cutter. You have so many different sizes, styles, and designs. As you drive through the tree-lined streets, you'll notice there's a difference. Not only that, but when they designed it, you'll notice the large lots. The majority of them are over half an acre. So you get rid of that cookie cutter feel and you really can enjoy the community. Part of the community is the trails. Trails go all throughout. Not only throughout the community, they also go into Burke Lake Park, which is one of the largest parks in Fairfax County, and even over to Lake Mercer. It's amazing how many trails that you can go on and just simply enjoy being in nature and a part of it. The community itself, they love it. They do things throughout the year, from holiday experiences to Halloween events. You'll see there's always something going on. You can even hear in the background, the pool. That's right, South Run has its own dedicated pool, tennis courts, and even pickleball courts, truly making it a planned unit development that people want to live in by design.
South Run has high-ranking schools. Sangster for the elementary, Lake Braddock for the middle and high school. I actually went to Lake Braddock, home of the Bruins, great school. The other things you can find here is walking trails, the tot lot, which is right in front of the pool that can be used year-round. One of the unique things that buyers love when they're searching to live in South Run is the distinctive neighborhood. You've got walking trails, cul-de-sacs, and beautiful trees. The tot lot at South Run actually has its own little unique lemonade stand that helps support childhood cancer.